Allahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, honorable juries, respectable committees, all participants and all identities in happiness. Today, I'm going to deliver my speech entitled The Strategy of Increasing Defense Power of a Local Culture Against Globalization. Ladies and gentlemen, along with the rapid development of information and communication technology, globalization also keeps spreading out all over the world. Its spreading works very quickly and widely, not only to the advanced countries, but also to the developed and poor ones. The development of information and communication technology and globalization are two processes that connect and support each other. There will never be globalization without the development of information and communication technology. Based on that matter, Scott 2001 has ever stated that globalization is a non-faded phenomenon. Every group, whether they like or not, must receive a reality that globalization is a killing virus that can cause extension to local culture existence. Because globalization is dominated by the advanced countries like America that have different cultures. Western values can be treated for the preservation of local values in developed countries, including Indonesia. Ladies and gentlemen, today our local cultures face serious threat in the mainstream of globalization. In this era, the rapid development of information and communication technology has transferred advanced countries' cultures into developed countries, like Indonesia. Problematically, those cultures do not match to the basic values which Indonesian people embrace, so that they could have identity crisis. Because values and identity are basic elements of culture. Local culture must have an ability to adapt some chance that globalization protests bring. Therefore, it is necessary to formulate the strategy to solve this problem in order to save local culture from extinction. So, what can we do to save our local cultures? Based on the challenge that our local culture faces, the strategies I offer here are developing nation identity, understanding cultural identity, regulating aid to protect local culture, and using information technology such as internet to introduce our local cultures in the globe. Developing nation identity can be done by building local values to the young generations in early age. Here, educational side plays an important role to include cultural lessons into curriculum, while understanding cultural identity is to increase the quality of teacher and cultural manager. Besides, our governments have to work together to formulate local rules that can guarantee the preservation of culture. Lastly, we have to use the rapid development of information and communication technology to introduce our cultures to the globe. By those ways, I strongly believe that our culture will keep existing forever after. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all my speech. I apologize for my mistakes. The last I say, wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.